Hello friends, today in this video I will share news with you that I have completed 1 year of making videos in English language. Today at same place, at same day, I made my first video and I uploaded that video on this channel. And right now, today the anniversary of that video, I have completed 1 year and I did the consistent hard work without missing any day. I regularly uploaded videos on this channel. You can check the row that no one day is missing. In each and every day, I uploaded videos consistently. One video consistently. Sometimes I uploaded 2, 3 videos also. But regularly one video was coming on this channel and still coming. And I will try to continue this process. By talking this, I mean that we should do our work consistently. When we will do consistent work, we will improve ourselves and we will get a lot of experience. My channel is till this video is not promoted or not progressed, but I am doing my consistent hard work and I am getting some benefits. One benefit is that I am improving my English language. I am making videos, and other benefit that suddenly one day my channel will be promoted, will be one of my video will go viral, and in this way I will get other benefits also. So same is the position with English learners. If you want to improve yourself, you will have to do the consistent work on daily basis. You will have to work on your English learning, such as reading, writing, listening, then speaking. When you will work on for these sectors, for these segments, then you will improve yourself. In present era, if you want to speak English language, very important, listening. Listening is very important. And beside listening, you will have to do the exercise of speaking the language. And when you get time, try to write down whatever comes in your mind, and also read some articles, some English language books, some novels, some stories. If you are beginner, then read children's stories. They are easy to understand. And if you think that you are right now at advanced level, then try to read novels, articles, news, listen news on your television screen. In this way, you will improve yourself, and one day you will speak very good English language. I am hopeful that you are watching my videos and you are enjoying and you are understanding whatever I am saying. I think that we should speak in smooth way, in simple way, whatever accent we have. When in the beginning we will try to speak in the same accent which we have, then other will appreciate us, other will understand our discussion in good way. So in the beginning, try to speak English language in your own accent. After that, when you feel that you are little able to understand English language, a little able to speak the English language, then you can try to different accents, try to imitate the accents of other nationalities. So I think that you are following me, and you will also appreciate, you will also give your feedback below in comment box that whether you are understanding simple English language or you like the fancy English language. Give your feedback in comment box. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, please do subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.